the deformation of the base caused by external force can be repaired. And only 4 simple steps to repair the deformed base to get your 3D printer back normally use. Step 1. Loosen the 4 screws here first. Step 2. Place the machine on a flat table. And then press the base with your hands to make sure it is flat. Step 3. Tighten the screws slightly. Step 4. Finally tighten again and again the screws for 3 to 4 times. Note: do not tighten the screws completely at once, otherwise the base will still be uneven. If you find that there is still minor deformation even though you operate the whole process correctly as instruction, this is because there will be normal elastic deformation. You can peace your heart that the minor deformation will make no difference on your printer. If you wanna get better, you need to repeat steps number 1 to 3. And then you can place a piece of 1 to 3 mm thick paper on these 2 spots before moving to step 4. Finally, perform step 4. Repeat the process several times until the effect you want is achieved.